Skincare. So all of this is what you call skincare? Bleaching product?
No, we have from all natural organic skincare products. Organic that provides.
Suppose you don't have a bleaching thing. I want to get a little bit lighter.
We have a lightening products, not bleaching, lightening.
Which is good for us, don't?
Yes, and they're made from all natural ingredients, such as licorice for all the skincare babies. You know what I'm talking about. And we cater for male, female, and kids.
All right, the serious question. All right, some of these products come from Jamaica to make it, or you're importing them?
It depends. It depends on what we source. So all our products are made locally, but you know we have to get our ingredients local and international to make it happen.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
There, animated films, number of films. On the last lap now, we're going to get the last part of the very trip to go to the. And after we leave the rest, we got virtual reality Jamaica. And we're going to check out the house at the bar. Virtual music is actually playing.
This is Earth Treasures. We're Kingston night market on Tuesdays, and we also come to these events on the
your name?
I'm Gabrielle.
Okay. And how often do you do this, Gabriel?
This is my third time being a staff member, I believe.
And what's the turnout like today?
It's not bad. I'm waiting for like more persons to come. Last time because we had like the whole carnival thing, it was a better turnout, but it's fine.
All right, where in Jamaica are we right now?
We're in Kingston.
Which part of Kingston?
Downtown.
Oh, isn't it rough to go downtown Kingston?